Hey y'all, Braxton boys back again. Sorry if I'm a little stuffy, I'm getting over a little cold. Today we're going to change the mini split air filters here in the pageants. So what we're going to do, this here is our ceiling mount. We're going to come up here, you have one clip here, one clip here, drop it down. This is what the inside looks like. This is model number. Alright, so we have the air filter down. So what we're going to do is just pop that filter out on both sides. This here is your filter. Here's your cover. We're going to take our brush and brush it. You can also vacuum it. Same thing with your filter here. Get inside all these valleys. These are washable, so you can run them under the water, but they have to be completely dry before you put them back in. So once it's all clean, all you're going to do, make sure your wording is facing you. Put it in one side, the other side. So what you're going to do is put it in. Then your other side snaps right in. Then we're just going to reverse it. Close our latches. And that's how we do our kitchen mini split ceiling mounts.